Hello, I'm Dominic Monkhouse and I'd like to invite you down to the Management Lab on the 7th of April for a half-day workshop. The lockdown rules are unwinding, the children are back at school, and thoughts are now turning to how to make 2021 the best year you've ever had in business. Clients would say to us, or people who've attended the workshop would say, working with me gives them clarity on their business model. Everyone has a business plan, everyone has an Excel spreadsheet, but how are you going to get to where you want to get to? And often that's 20 or 30 or 40% year-over-year growth. Come to the workshop, learn some new tools, and have the confidence to go and put them into action the day after. See you here.